The right stand location can make all the difference, especially as we have an exciting new floor plan design for 2019. At IFSEC, we developed our new allocations process for returning exhibitors to choose stand locations in real time. This means you can walk away with your stand number right after signing the rebooking contract. Here is how it works. Each exhibitor has been assigned a series of allocation points, which transparently creates a weighted booking system. We'll calculate your company's allocations points and send you instructions in advance. We'll also provide you with a time slot for your appointment at the on-site rebooking sales office on the exhibition floor. Just confirm your appointment and let us know of any changes, such as change of product zone, decision maker change, or any other change related to stand location. During the show, your company can send your staff to the rebooking stand to choose your location. Keep in mind that companies with more allocation points may already have chosen your preferred stand, so it's best to have a few options in mind. Once the person authorized to sign the contract arrives at the rebooking stand, they'll be guided by an IFSEC team member throughout the entire process. You will be invited to take a closer look at the floor plan to see if your preferred location is still available. If not, an IFSEC team member will help you find the next best stand option. Once you choose your stand, our team member will mark your selection on the live floor plan. The team will then have your representative finalize and sign the contract. Easy as that. Oh, and make sure you aren't late. Missing your 15-minute appointment window could mean missing out on your preferred location, and you'll have to wait for the next slot to become available. Don't miss out on this great opportunity and secure your 2019 location on site.